Hi guys, it's Jody at Flying Fortress RC. Just wanted to give you guys a reminder that today is July 1st, so the first responders group build starts today and runs through November 1st. And yeah, so now the fun begins. All these parts everywhere. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. I have decided on the markings, though. I was going to try to get Ohio State Highway Patrol, but I want to do that with the newer style Charger because I don't think that Ohio State Highway Patrol had very many of these earlier Chargers. And the ones they had were white, and I like the silver ones, so I think eventually I'll get a newer style and then get the decals for Ohio State Highway Patrol. But what I'm going to do is I got decals from the Crown Victoria that I got, the other kit, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use these on that, and then, or no, excuse me, I'm going to use these on the Charger, and then when I do the Crown Victoria, I'm going to use that with the Chicago PD stuff. So, but yeah, I'm just kind of got started. I got the block together and using crappy spray paint, which a whole nother video I just shot a little bit ago. Krylon spray paint that I got, just absolute junk. So I'm actually brush painting over the Krylon. Bad, but because they say the Hemis, they were Hemi orange. It says it in the manual and pictures I've looked at, but I thought for some reason they were aluminum blocks, but who knows. But anyway, I just want to give you guys a quick reminder that the first responder group build starts today. Tag me, my channel, in any of the videos or anything, because I'm not seeing much about it. I've only seen 2 entry videos so far that I've been able to find. So if you guys do any of your entry videos and things like that, make sure use the hashtag firstrespondergb and then tag my channel in your video, and then that way I'll know. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you a heads up. Today it starts, so let the building begin. And I got another couple things I'm involved with. I got the table's a disaster, but yeah, what do you do? Gotta have some kind of unorganized chaos in life. So thanks, guys. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.